If you want to start cooking the perfect steak, then you need to start using your air fryer. Watch this video and I'll show you how. As a non-cooking person, and believe me, I really hate cooking, I have come across a method of cooking a beautiful steak that never goes wrong. We like our steaks medium rare. And now on a Tuesday night, I cook steak for Katie, my darling boy, and myself. I have sirloin steak, and Katie and my darling boy have fillet because that's what they like. So, this method, cooking it in the air fryer, I have a Ninja dual zone air fryer, makes and cooks the perfect steak. Now, we have it medium rare, as I've said, but if you like it more well done, you just add a minute or two onto the amount that you're cooking it for. So, today I cooked 2 fillet steaks that were just over an inch thick. I suppose, yes, they were just over an inch thick. And my sirloin steak was just under an inch thick. I preheat the oven on maximum crisp for 5 minutes. That is crucial. And I season the steaks on the top and spray some olive oil on them. Then, generally, I'll put the fillet steaks in for 8 minutes, and that turns out perfectly. But this week they are extra thick. So I did them for 8 minutes and I cut them open and they were still slightly too underdone in the middle. So I put them in for an extra 3 minutes. And actually that turned out perfectly. They were very pink inside, but just how they liked them. My sirloin steak went in at 7 minutes, but didn't need any more cooking, and it was absolutely delicious. It was tender and slightly pink. So here is the video. As you can see, I have a Ninja dual zone air fryer. I turn the knob round to maximum crisp, which is 240 degrees. I put the timer on for 5 minutes more than I deem the steak should take, so that's 13 minutes in this case. And then I put it to match so that I can cook my steak in the other drawer and switch it on. Wait for 5 minutes, and at the moment it is going to be 8 minutes I put the steaks in for, and around about halfway through I will turn them. I'll insert my steak at just about 7 minutes and let it run. I'll turn them both over. I generally set my watch timer for about 5 minutes, and then after that I turn them over. As you can see, this is halfway through and the timer says 3 minutes 31 seconds. And I'm turning them over. And they already look beautifully brown and gorgeous. And here we have them at the end of their cooking. The fillet steak took, in fact, 11 minutes because it was so thick. and the sirloin steak only took the 7 minutes I had allotted for it. And if you have been, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.